Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active Edge, and I'm gonna show you how to change the goal for the steps or step goal on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the select button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you need to swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the activity icon, and once you find it, tap on it. And after you open the activity app, scroll down through it, and at the bottom you will see the option called the settings. Tap on it, then scroll down and select the goal settings. And here select the steps. If you want to change the goals for the calories, you can also select the calories. We're gonna select steps, tap on check on the arrow, and here we can adjust the goals or goal settings. We can tap on steps and adjust the goal for the steps. We can also adjust the goal for the fat burn minute or time, and also the stand goal. And once you're done, tap on the check mark, and if you go back to the activity menu, you will see that the goal was updated. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the step goal on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.